Okay, here we are today with a beautiful 2016 NX Boats NX 270 Bowrider. Very rare, the only one of its kind this manufacturer imported into the United States. So this is the only one in here. So this is very unique. Very unique styling. It's styled to look like a sports car, specifically an Audi 8. So you can see some of that. It's got some of that nice Euro styling in it. Black and white hull. Nice sports arch, new bimini top, very wide swim platform. Probably get a little jet ski on there if you wanted to. All right, let's go aboard. One of the unique features you'll notice immediately when you step on is this stern little barbecue right here. So you got a nice barbecue with I got all the photos of that. There's a cockpit sink in there, transom shower down there, got a walk-through transom door, nice telescopic swim ladder. There's your fuel and your water tank. It does have pressurized water. Nice open cockpit, walk right through there, plenty of room to walk through. Nice Euro styling. Brand new Fusion stereo, updated with JL audio speakers. Those are the fancy ones that light up with the timing to the music. Got a big, also have a big 6 speakers and a big. So continuing on here, inside the cockpit, you've got a nice cooler set up here with it's got the beverage holders on top. You got a cooler inside, and there's all kind of storage underneath these seats. There's 2 coolers on the starboard seat. There's room for a cooler or whatever you want underneath there. Engine access is underneath that hatch. There is a cooler underneath this one as you walk in through the transom door. There's your battery. I got all the photos of that. And you got all kinds of cockpit lighting. There's your LED lights for the helm lighting, courtesy lights. There's your blue courtesy lights throughout. There's your helm seat. It's got the bolster, built-in bolster on it. There's your helm console. Got new updated Garmin, got bilge pumps, all accessories, horn, navigation lights, courtesy lights, got speed, battery. There's your Volvo Penta, and there's your engine hours. It's a 300 horsepower 5.3 liter Volvo Penta. Out here, here's your nice unique access to this bow where you're going to go around. So here's the center cockpit with the head down below. You're going to walk around to the port side actually. So instead of walking through the windshield, the center windshield, you walk around to the port side, and this comes around. It's kind of unique. And there you go. You got some more seating. Walk through windshield on the port side, cup holders, got a nice anchor with a windlass, and you got windlass controls there as well. There's something you don't see on Bowriders. You got the nice wine cooler, the trash receptacle. Very nice, unique setup. A lot of nice, unique features. Down below, you've got some storage down here Cabinet storage there, cabinet storage there. You could even put a microwave in there. I've seen some of them in the other models that have the microwave in there. Full head in here with a flush toilet, sink with vanity, running water, pressurized water. There's your flush control on the toilet. A porthole in there, so see what you're doing. Privacy door. There you go. And here's your view from down here. Like I said, new bimini. Lots of seller updates. New batteries. 2 new batteries. I've got that, all the updates, seller updates in the listing. So it's 2016 NX270.